Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'll be showing you 3 different quick and simple DIYs for Christmas using Dollar Tree items. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. So before I start the DIY, I'm going to be doing a little unboxing of a beautiful jewelry item by a company called Jeulia. So this company did reach out to me and asked me if I wanted to collaborate with them. I said absolutely yes. Their jewelry pieces are stunning and super affordable. They allowed me to go on their page and pick out any item I wanted. So I ended up picking this beautiful ring, which is the 3-stone halo round cut silver ring. And Jeulia, basically they're a company that they deliver quality and affordable luxury jewelry that is unique. So I will be giving you guys my 100% honest review. My first impression of the box, I honestly thought it was very classy, very beautiful, and once I opened it, it just came with this little gift bag and a pamphlet that gives you more information of the different type of jewelry pieces that Jeulia has to offer. And underneath this little pamphlet, it came with the little box. So my first impression once I opened the box, I absolutely fell in love with it. It is gorgeous, it is beautiful, it fits perfectly, and I do have a discount code for y'all if y'all decide to check it out. I have a 10% off site-wide and a 25% off if it's 180 or more. And I just want to give a big shout out to Jeulia for sponsoring this video. I will be leaving all the information down in the description box. And with all of that said, let's get started with the first DIY. First step, I just went ahead and cut the ends to the craft sticks. I ended up using 20 in total, 10 on the top of the picture frame and 10 on the bottom. And I will be just staining them with some wood stain so it can give it more like if it was an actual pieces of wood, but in reality, well, they're just craft sticks. Once the wood stain was done drying, I just went in, hot glued all the craft sticks onto the frame, and like I said, it will be 10 on the top and 10 on the bottom. I wasn't really feeling the combination of this mini wreath, so I went ahead and just made my own with some extra greenery that I had from previous DIYs. I will be using the Merry Christmas from this ornament so I can put it in the center of the mini wreath. So I ended up getting this green pine mix stem from Walmart. It was only $3.47 and it looked very natural and very full, enough to put inside all the 3 bottles. So all I did, basically, I just added some snow spray to the greenery and to the 2 wreaths that I will be using as a centerpiece. So I just went ahead and let them dry outside so the snow spray can be completely dry, and that way I can continue with the next steps. I just went ahead and added some gray primer before I added the ivory spray paint. The reason I do this is because I feel like it lasts better and it does not chip. But of course it's up to you if y'all decide to use it or not. It's optional. I just went ahead and cut up 3 pieces of this beautiful burlap ribbon, and I'll be putting it in the center of the glass bottle. Also, I'll be adding some twine on the top of each bottle, and to give it a little more of a detail, I'll be adding some pine cones on the twine. Next up, I just went ahead and cut up the greenery stem with a wire cutter, and I'll be making 3 separate bouquets so I can put it inside of the jars. Okay guys, so this is the finishing look to the last DIY. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It would mean so much to me, and that way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Other than that, I hope y'all have a great day and God bless.